Now we're going to talk about credit.
You mean like good credit or bad credit?
Exactly. When you're ready to get a credit card, buy a car, or rent an apartment, lenders are going to look at your credit score. A credit score is the 3-digit number that helps lenders determine how likely a person is to pay back money. The better your credit is, the higher your credit score. We all start with no credit. Over time, as you make payments on time, you establish good credit. If you don't make your payments or are late making payments, you'll have bad credit. Bad credit limits your choices on what you can afford to buy, and you will be charged a higher interest rate. With bad credit, you may not be able to buy a car, get a mortgage, or borrow money. A mortgage is a loan to buy a house.
What is the difference between a credit card and a debit card?
Well, with a credit card, you're borrowing money from the credit card company. You make purchases now, and the credit card company will send you a statement each month listing the purchases you made, the amount you owe, and the payment due date. Your credit limit is how much money the credit card company will lend you, and it's based on your credit score. With a debit card, the money comes immediately out of your checking account. You can only spend the amount you have available in your checking account.
What is debt?
Debt means money you owe. A debtor is the person who owes the money. The creditor or lender lends the money. Usually, the debtor is expected to repay the amount of money borrowed plus interest. To avoid debt, remember these tips. Don't spend money you don't have. Buy only what you can afford, and pay off your credit cards in full each month to avoid being charged interest.
Wow, we learned a lot today.
We sure did. So why don't we review it? We learned what a consumer is, the difference between goods and services, different ways to earn money, how to budget our expenses and income, the difference between banks and credit unions, saving and checking accounts, debit and credit cards, and earning and paying interest. We discussed reasons why it's important to save money, what information is on a check. We learned what a credit score is and how to establish good credit and ways to avoid debt.
Great job, Connie.
Thanks, Josh. And for anybody who wants to get more consumer tips, call my friends at Pinellas County Consumer Protection at 727-464-6200 or visit their webpage at pinellascounty.org/consumer.